What is going on, everyone? My name is Radis, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys my CCIV stock predictions for the next week, as well as just giving you guys a bit of a recap on what went on in the previous week and what really hit the news. If you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing, as I'm on a mission to get to 5,000 subscribers. I'm assuming I'm going to hit 4,000 today or maybe tomorrow, by the end of the week hopefully, but I'm trying to hit 5,000. So if you can, if you're new around here, consider subscribing. And guys, I want you to let me know your opinions. What do you guys think about CCIV stock? What are your predictions for next week? I'm curious, how much of this stock do you guys own, and when do you think this merger is going to happen? So let's do a quick recap for those that are kind of new. Guys, there is a potential merger, and this potential merger is like everyone's just waiting for it to be confirmed. Everyone kind of already assumes it's confirmed, but obviously it hasn't been legitimately confirmed. But pretty much they are merging with a EV company called Lucid Motors, and this company, they make, I guess, a bit more high end of electric vehicles, and they have their Lucid Air, which is pretty much supposed to compete with the Tesla Model S. They also have a factory that is, I guess, projected, or they are hoping to make 400,000 cars a year in that one factory. And this is pretty much like one of those stocks that a lot of hedge fund managers are also investing into, because they really, a lot of people missed Tesla, and a lot of people are thinking, what's the next Tesla going to be? And a lot of people are saying, hey, CCIV, once they do merge and they do have that SPAC with Lucid Motors, that is going to be the company that takes them to the moon. So quickly just looking, guys, a month ago, the stock was really only at like less than 20 bucks, right? The stock started climbing, news started climbing, hype started coming up, and everyone was like, oh my god, CCIV is going to be the next big thing, CCIV, da da da, whatever, blah blah blah. So many articles, so many videos, so many people just talking about the stock, and a lot of people not even knowing what's happening. But a lot of people do understand that, hey, this stock is something that could have potential. Me personally, I remember saying, I remember very clearly saying, hey, this is something that is kind of risky. This is something that I personally don't think will dethrone Tesla, but I do think this is something that has a lot of potential. We all need to understand, as EV cars come out, there are going to be companies that try and take down Tesla. Me personally, I don't think any company will even come close, but there is always a good opportunity in investing in the runner-up, or in, the second biggest company in the industry, which I think is going to be maybe Lucid Motors, if they can show me some more progress and some actual results. So on Friday, the stock actually closed at $39.98. After hours, it did actually break $40. They hit nearly $42 as well. And this to me is very interesting because, guys, the hype is not dying down. People are going to be consistently talking about it. And this is what I think is going to happen next week. Okay, I think next week, obviously the market's open on Tuesday, so we have a long weekend. Monday's going to be kind of boring. There isn't going to be anything crazy going on. But on Tuesday, when the markets open up, we're either going to see a bit of a sell-off from people locking in profits, or we're going to see it continue and we're going to see it rally a bit more. I think potentially this stock could hit $50 next week. If there is some more major news that comes out, I do think CCIV can hit $50 next week. But we're not going to know that until, again, like I said, if there is that major catalyst news. If there isn't any news, I think we'll might see a sell-off, or we'll just see it just kind of range in at the $35 to $40 range. Again, I don't really know if there is going to be anything announced. If there is any crazy news, best believe I'll cover it on my channel. So make sure you are subscribed with post notifications on. But let's quickly talk about what happened in the previous week. So there was actually a leaked Bloomberg terminal update that suggested that investors led by VC firm Venrock Associates were looking to sell Lucid Motors. And Venrock Associates is actually one of the oldest investors in Lucid, and they actually bought into the company back in 2009. So, you got to really understand or kind of ask yourself, why are these people looking to sell now? Guys, personally, I have not actually invested in CCIV. I actually did decide to sit this one out just because it is a SPAC and it is, a potential merger. Now, looking at it, guys, if I start to see more proof, I will probably get into it. And again, it's just because, hey, I like to really invest long term, right? If you guys watch a bunch of my videos, you guys see, obviously I cover the hype stocks, and I do cover stocks that I will, hold long term and kind of hold forever. CCIV is currently, again, once it's announced, maybe I'll buy some shares. What I might even do is, honestly, just for the memes, check my Discord down below. It's a free Discord channel. Honestly, I might just announce that I just bought some shares just for fun. But right now, I'm not holding any shares. I've not bought any shares. Like I said, maybe I will in the future. If there is a sell-off on Tuesday, perhaps I'll look into buying some shares. But like I said, until then, it's a no for me. Not because I don't believe in the company, but just because I want to be a bit more secure with what's happening. Also, please do understand, guys, with stocks like this and SPACs, this is a high risk, high reward play. If you do believe in this and you do think that the SPAC will happen and there will be a merger, honestly, guys, hey, go all in on it if you want. Remember, always only be able to risk whatever you lose. And like I said, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.